Okay, this one's a little different. Instead of my usual DIY project, I decided to host a fall-themed mom's craft night. I want it to feel cozy, creative, and a little extra because that's just who I am. I did some prep work ahead of time to make sure everything went smoothly. For the craft, we made tile coasters. Super easy, such a fun project. I sanded down all the tiles first just to smooth the edges. Then I glued cork on the back so they looked a little more finished and felt high end. If you're new here, I am Kristen, the Creative Peacock, and I love doing all things DIY. When it comes to hosting, I can't help but go all in. The snacks were totally fall themed. I even did this cauldron as a wine dispenser, because of course I did. I kind of failed at this at first because I went in with a drill and I knew the drill bit wasn't large enough for the actual part of the wine to come through. But I thought if I drilled enough of it, it would weaken them and I could pop it out, or I could take a razor blade and kind of cut it out. Come to find out, this was made a little better than I was expected, and it was thicker plastic, so I wasn't able to cut through it with the razor blade. And then I forgot to record that part of my DIY because my husband came to the rescue and got me like a large drill bit, cut large holes. Forgot to show that part, but this is what it ended up coming out as, and it was perfect. You drop the whole bladder of wine down in it, and the little spigot thing comes right through the hole in the cauldron, and then you can serve it. There's like 3 or 4 bottles of wine in there, and they last up to a month. So this is great to put out on your counter for all of like October. Really cute, totally easy DIY project. For me, it doesn't stop at crafts. It's the little details too. I love making every part of the night feel super special and creative, even the food and setup. Cutting up all the food and the cheese into little candy corn pieces. Here's the thing, being bougie at a budget is totally possible. You don't have to spend a ton to make your setup look amazing. Dollar Tree, thrift shops, end of year sales, that's where I stock up on my entertaining serveware. Platters, dishes, bowls, trays, the little details that make everything feel special without breaking the bank. For my charcuterie board, I just grabbed a little bit of everything: cheeses, nuts, crackers, fruit, and vegetables. Added a few small dishes for dips and olives spreads, and you've got it all layered. Full look that's beautiful and easy to snack from. My secret: have fun with it. Use unexpected props like skeleton hands for Halloween or ornaments for Christmas. It's all about making it visually fun and totally your style. If you love getting creative, whether it's crafting, decorating, or just putting your own twist on things, make sure to like and subscribe. There's always another DIY night and probably another theme coming soon. You don't want to miss that.